Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure iOS is up to date and you're signed into iCloud. Open Settings, enable Wallet, and verify Face ID or Touch ID is configured. This secures transactions. Once done, open the Wallet app and tap the plus icon to add Apple Cash. You're taking these steps to link identity, security, and payment method, so transactions are protected and Apple can verify you quickly. Next, add and verify a debit card so Apple Cash can send and receive funds. In Wallet, tap Add Card, choose Debit Card, then scan or type the card details. Your bank will verify, sometimes via its app, an SMS code, or a brief phone call, so be ready to approve. After verification, accept the Apple Cash terms and set the card as default if you want. This links real funds and prevents declined transfers during use. Finally, activate Apple Cash and configure funding options. Choose auto-refill or manual funding to control liquidity. Test the setup by sending $1 to a friend via messages and confirm it appears in Wallet. Make sure you enable Apple Cash for iMessage if prompted. If something fails, check that your region supports Apple Cash, verify card limits and identity documentation, and then restart iPhone if still blocked. Contact
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.